The liver is the second largest organ in our body and should be given the same importance as the brain and the heart. It is a key player of the body's digestive system. The liver functions are very important in our body and contributes to the digestive functioning for effective metabolism. Over the past decade, there has been a steady rise in the number of cases of liver diseases. World Liver Day is observed on 19th of April every year. At MediCircle, on the occasion of World Liver Day, we are speaking to eminent gastroenterologists and hepatologists to build awareness about healthy functioning of the liver. In this initiative, we are going to speak to Dr. Rahul Saxena. Dr. Rahul is a liver transplant and hepatopancreatico-biliary surgeon, currently based in Nagpur. He has an extensive experience of more than 1,000 living donor and cadaveric donor liver transplants, as well as kidney transplant, small bowel transplant, pancreas transplant, and complex hepatobiliary surgeries in both adults and children. He was instrumental in starting the Living Donor Liver Transplant Program at Sahyadri Hospital in 2016 and 17, and this team performed 65 liver transplants, both DDLT and LDLT, in the very first year of its inception. His mission in life is to make liver transplant affordable and within reach of the common Indian masses. Dr. Rahul is an avid reader, researcher, and has published in many major Indian and international index journals. He is a regular attendee and faculty member at most of the world's forums associated with liver transplantation. Hello, Dr. Rahul. Welcome to MediCircle.
Hello, Ms. Sana, and thank you for inviting me in this forum.
Okay, Dr. Rahul, what symptoms will I notice if my liver isn't working right?
So when we talk of liver is considered to be the powerhouse of human body.
Right.
So whatever you do, whatever the energy is provided by the liver. So when liver diseases they occur, there are some initial or early symptoms, and then there are some advanced or late symptoms.
Right.
So when we talk about initial symptoms, early symptoms, these may include weakness, loss of appetite, general loss of appetite, loss of weight, then vomiting, nausea. Nausea is a feeling of vomiting.
Correct.
When we talk about advanced symptoms, then these may include jaundice, पीलिया जैसे हम बोलते हैं. Jaundice in which there is yellowish discoloration of the eyes, of the skin, of the urine. Right. Then this may include black colored stools or even pale colored stools.
Okay.
Then abdominal pain, a vague type of pain, not localized to any one part, but all of the abdomen or all of the tummy there is some pain. Then itchiness all over the body.
Oh, okay.
Extreme confusion, irritability, daytime sleepiness. All these can be symptoms of liver disease.
A lot of symptoms, and we might get confused with other diseases as well. This is what I believe, due to the very common problems or symptoms that occur when there is some liver disease. Okay, so Dr. Rahul, should I get liver tested if I'm healthy?
So basically for this, if I want to answer this question, then we must talk about what are the common causes of liver diseases. So what are the reasons due to which liver diseases happen? So most commonly in India, the most common cause of liver disease, what we are seeing is obesity, or known as metabolic syndrome.
Right.
So this may be associated with diabetes, this may be associated with high blood pressure, this may be associated with hypothyroidism.
Okay.
So a common general thing is if the waist circumference in case of males is more than 40 inches, and in case of females is more than 35 inches, then they are suffering from metabolic syndrome. So all these patients, all these individuals, they are at high risk of getting a liver disease.
Okay. So obesity
causes.
Obesity is one thing that is very common.
Obesity is one of the leading cause of liver disease all over the world.
Oh, okay.
तो आज से 10 साल पहले हम इसे सिर्फ अमेरिका में देखते थे, but
जी
as
जी
we have taken their lifestyle, their eating
करेक्ट, वो
habits, their
पूरा
food,
लाइफ ही
now we are seeing it in
वेस्टर्नाइज्ड, राइट, वेस्टर्न हो गया है हमारा, तो सब
right.
ओबेसिटी भी हमने वैसे ही कर लिया है, रेगुलर फूड इज ओनली जंक दीस डेज, सो
Yeah. Yeah. Then there are some other causes also, like alcohol. Alcohol is
okay,
now one of the most important causes for liver disease.
right,
Then infection with hepatitis viruses. You might
okay,
have heard hepatitis B, hepatitis C. So
true
all
true,
this can cause severe liver diseases.
okay,
Then liver disease can be seen after pregnancy also. Pregnancy mein there is weight gain, there is fluid gain.
correct,
So liver disease can be seen after pregnancy. Then there are some patients who have deranged coagulation, cholesterol and lipid profile. So
करेक्ट,
in
और
those patients
ये बहुत आम
also we
चीज
can
हो
say liver
गई है,
disease. Yeah, actually
दिस
अगर हम
इज
बात करें लास्ट 1-1.5 साल में लॉकडाउन हुआ है, लोग जिम नहीं जा रहे, लोग वर्कआउट नहीं कर रहे हैं, सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम कर रहे हैं, सेडेंटरी लाइफस्टाइल है, खाना है, बैठना है, खाना है.
जी,
तो अब ये दिस हैज बिकम मोर कॉमन. सो वी सी पेशेंट, यंग पेशेंट जिसको डायबिटीज है, जिनका कोलेस्ट्रॉल
कोलेस्ट्रॉल
बढ़ा हुआ
प्रॉब्लम
है, एंड ऑल दिस कैन लीड टू लिवर डिजीज.
ओके,
So basically, these are the high risk groups who should get tested themselves for liver diseases, even if they are not symptomatic. कोई symptom
Correct.
नहीं भी है इन patients में, तो लेकिन आपको पता है कि हमारा lifestyle sedentary है, हम active नहीं है, हमको
right,
diabetes है, हमको blood pressure है, so you go and get tested yourself.
okay. And Dr. Rahul, how do we treat our fatty liver?
So basically, all these things that I have said, these all are the reasons for fatty liver. And when we get tested for fatty liver, so tests can be in the sort of blood test, they can be in as sonography, as fibroscan. अगर उस पे fatty liver निकलता है, so fatty liver has 4 stages: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Stage 1, 2, and 3 are reversible. You can reverse them, but stage
Okay.
4 is irreversible. So after when you reach stage 4, then your liver is totally damaged. It is totally fibrosed, and
Right.
the only option left is transplanting it, changing it. So when we find out that some patient has fatty liver, then the treatment is one is you must stop alcohol. You should
Right.
control sugar. So basically, these are all lifestyle changes. You
Right.
stop alcohol, you control sugar, you keep your lipids, your cholesterol in check. Then you exercise. So you should exercise, at least walk for 45 minutes every day,
Right.
at least for 5 days a week.
Right.
Then the patient should lose weight. This is again important thing. Then there are multiple dietary changes that has to be done. So now you must have seen that whatever we eat, it is junk actually. So
Correct.
you get sugar from everywhere. You go and drink Coca-Cola, it has sugar.
Full of
Ice
sugar.
cream, candy,
Right.
full of sugar. So every form of sugar is dangerous. If you have fatty liver, then sugars must be curtailed. Salt, you should stop using or decrease salt in your diet. Then refined white bread, pasta, white rice,
Right. Right.
all this should be avoided. Then saturated fats like red meat, pork, butter, cheese, all this should be
Any
avoided. And
particularly
you must
do you suggest any oil that should be taken? क्योंकि आजकल बहुत आम हो गया है कि refined oil, refined flour, everything is so much refined कि I think all the nutrients are gone already.
So coconut oil is beneficial for liver, but then coconut oil का problem ये है कि we get smell of like when we eat coconut oil, you get smell. So olive oil is another thing which can be used. Similarly, what we tell our patients is कि don't go for wheat. सादा गेहूं, सादा आटा मत खाओ. Go for mixed grain, जो बोलते हैं जौ, जवार, बाजरा, सारी चीजें mix करके. So it's now available in market also.
Multigrain जो होता है वो is
multigrain, yeah, that is. Then try to eat lots of fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. Then antioxidants like नींबू हो गया, oranges हो गया, all these are good for liver. Even
Okay.
coffee green tea is good for liver.
Oh, is it?
It has got lot of antioxidant properties,
Okay, right.
so it is good
Right.
for liver.
So, Dr. Rahul, any supplements which you can suggest for a healthy liver?
So there are no it's not like that कि कुछ खाएंगे तो हम supplement लेंगे तो liver healthy होगा. It's like कि you will have to change your lifestyle. You will have to modify your lifestyle. So जो आपका food है वो healthy होना चाहिए.
Right.
Should be आप उसमें से जो नमक, sugar, carbohydrate कम करें, active रहे. This is the key to a healthy liver. Rather than कोई हम particular supplement सोचें कि ये खा देंगे तो हमारा liver अच्छा रहेगा. So that is not the case. Actually, that is not the case with any of the organ in the body. आप
Right.
ऐसा heart के लिए नहीं बोल सकते, आप ऐसा किसी चीज के लिए नहीं बोल सकते.
Correct.
So healthy life, healthy lifestyle.
So we have to change our sedentary lifestyles and get back
Exactly.
to the old days of working hard, active. The body needs to be really active now. And eating all
Exactly.
cold vegetables and सादा खाना जो घर का खाना होता है.
हाँ, exactly. Active lifestyle and healthy food is the key to healthy liver.
Correct. Okay, Dr. Rahul, thank you so much for your valuable time and insights with us. And it was a pleasure having you on the show.
Thank you, Ms. Sana. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.